Gen Re is one of the leading life and health and property and casualty reinsurers in the world. We're represented in all major reinsurance markets through a network of more than 40 offices worldwide. We're also owned by General Re, which is a subsidiary of Berkshire Hathaway Inc. Yes, so Gen Re recently completed a successful cloud migration journey, and LTIMindtree contributed significantly to this transformation program. We started the cloud migration journey in 2020. We had many legacy systems and applications running on-premise in 7 data centers and many branch locations located across North America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. We were looking for a way to modernize our infrastructure and to improve our agility. The strategy to move to the cloud was based on the desire to divest ourselves of physical assets, therefore improving our resiliency, to avoid making large capital investments in refreshing infrastructure, and to modernize with automation and scalability. In all, we migrated over 2,000 servers and 800 plus applications to the Microsoft Azure cloud. Yes, we conducted an RFP to find the most suitable provider to work with on this migration strategy and approach. LTIMindtree was selected based on the solution approach, demonstrated past successes with other customers, and cost effectiveness. I would say the biggest challenge was the scale of the migration, the number of servers and applications that were in scope, and geographic spread of infrastructure requiring multiple Azure regions to be set up. We faced challenges with workloads that required high data processing throughput, typically database servers. Lastly, our initial data center migration was planned for May 2020, just as the COVID pandemic hit, requiring the migration to take place with the project team entirely remote. So LTIMindtree carried out a thorough assessment of our infrastructure footprint. They developed a well-structured migration approach and considered potential risks and mitigation approaches. They played a key part in the design, build, and migration phases, and they had a highly skilled technical team who were able to effectively work their way through the challenges when they did arise. They had strong project management, and they displayed great teamwork and collaboration within the project across multiple stakeholders, which is critical to a successful outcome. The program was delivered on time, on budget, and with no major incidents or challenges as we migrated each of the data centers and branch locations over the timeline. LTIMindtree really should feel very proud of what they accomplished at Gen Re. Yeah, so moving to the cloud has afforded us opportunities we simply would not have had being on-premise. We're able to meet data privacy and data residency requirements from regulators around the world, as Microsoft has all relevant ISO and SOX certifications. We've increased resiliency to infrastructure failures with the native redundancy features that come as standard when operating in the cloud. We've also been able to launch application transformation programs, migrating legacy applications from infrastructure as a service to cloud-native platform as a service and software as a service. Most recently, we've been able to take advantage of the rapidly evolving AI capabilities only available in the cloud with OpenAI, Azure Cognitive Services, Microsoft Copilot, and other technologies. Yeah, so I would advise other companies to research and ensure they have a clear plan before migrating. They should also work with a cloud migration partner that can help them navigate the migration challenges.